After up to 3 weeks of gorging itself, this caterpillar has finally had its fill. It now seeks out a horizontal branch to support its transformation. From its lower lip, the caterpillar spits out a silk similar to a spider's and creates a mat on the branch. Then its two back prolegs merge together to create a twig-like appendage. The conjoined prolegs have minuscule hooks that latch onto the silk mat like Velcro. Finally, it's ready to hang, and the metamorphosis begins. Once its skin begins to peel, it's only a couple of minutes before it sheds its fifth and final layer of caterpillar skin. A pale exoskeleton is known as a cocoon. Moths spin cocoons of silk. Butterflies emerge from a hard exoskeleton called a chrysalis. As the chrysalis gyrates, it fights to shed the last remnants of its youth. In warm summer, it will take 7 to 10 days for the adult monarch to emerge and fly through these fields. Its chrysalis is now transparent, and the butterfly inside is ready to emerge. During its transformation, the cells that make up the caterpillar's body broke down into a soup. Then the individual cells morphed into this new form. Once emerged, the butterfly hangs like this for several hours, until the outside of its wings fill with blood, dry, and stiffen up, all in preparation for flight. This winter monarch butterfly, emerging in October, will live up to 7 months, 6 times longer than the summer monarch. It will live in a state of suspended adolescence to conserve energy for its journey south. The butterfly will traverse the entire continent. It won't reach sexual maturity until, having spent the winter in Mexico, it arrives back in the southern United States. Inevitably, they won't all make it. Fortunately, the population is self-sustaining. Each northward migration greatly increases the monarch's numbers again, as female butterflies will lay numerous eggs. When the cool air begins to blow through the valley, it means the end of the season's milkweed bloom. And so, it's time for the newly emerged monarchs to leave. Back at the hive, another new life is beginning. 21 days ago, this bee was just an egg. 11 days later, she was a larva sealed in a cell, who underwent her own transformation. Now she's fighting her way free, struggling to join her sisters. And finally, she emerges and goes straight to work. The cycle continues on inside and outside the hive. Now that it's fall, the apples are in full bloom. Fittingly, these are called honeycrisps. They are just one of the 35 different types of apples grown here in the Annapolis Valley. All pollinated by a healthy population of honeybees. From a bird's eye view, the Annapolis Valley is a patchwork of farmers' fields. A closer look reveals a hidden universe, where wildlife and humans work together, undergoing incredible journeys and amazing transformations. Soon, winter will fall across the valley, and the colors will fade. The bees will brave the winter here, huddled in their hives, surviving on their honey. The monarch butterflies will be long gone, roosting down south in Mexico. Come spring, plants and animals will wait, and the cycle will begin again. Life continues anew in the wild, wild east.